Cristiano Ronaldo owns over 20 luxury cars. And why not? The man reportedly earns $213 million per year. From a $2 million Bugatti crashed by his bodyguard to a Ferrari so rare he skipped training to buy it, Ronaldo owns an empire on wheels. If you're a car enthusiast or a Ronaldo fan, you're going to want to watch this video till the end because you won't want to miss his most expensive ride, which was once the world's most expensive car. Number 20. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. This might be the cheapest car in Ronaldo's collection. It cost him just $64,000, making it look like pocket change compared to his million-dollar rides. But this thing carries 650 horsepower with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 and goes from 0 to 60 in only 3.5 seconds with its 6-speed manual and rear-wheel drive setup. Ronaldo probably drives this beauty when he's staying at his $3.8 million Trump Tower apartment in Manhattan. The handling is surprisingly smooth and quick for such a powerful car. Chevy is discontinuing the Camaro, so Ronaldo got his hands on this legendary muscle car before it disappears forever. Number 19. Audi RS7. For most people, this Audi would be a dream car, but for Ronaldo, it's just a welcome gift. Real Madrid gifted Ronaldo a $130,000 Audi RS7 as part of his signing bonus, and not just anyone. He picked the Sportback Performance version, which is the most powerful one Audi had at the time. This thing packs a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, hits 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, and tops out at 190 miles per hour. Released in 2016, the RS7 Performance came with sleek LED headlights, a better infotainment system, and even a night vision assistant that could detect animals in the dark. Whether Ronaldo ever needed that is a mystery, but it's there. Number 18. Mercedes-Benz GLE63 AMG. You'd think someone like Ronaldo would only go for supercars, but he proved us all wrong by purchasing a $160,000 SUV. It's got a twin-turbo V8 that pushes out over 600 horsepower. That's insane for a car that's supposed to carry your groceries. Even though its top speed is 155 miles per hour, you'd still wonder who's really moving an SUV that fast. Well, Cristiano Ronaldo is, and clearly he doesn't care if it turns heads or raises eyebrows. Number 17. Porsche 911 Turbo S. Ronaldo was seen driving this after he missed out on the Ballon d'Or. This beast puts out 530 horsepower, rockets from 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds, and has a top speed of 206 miles per hour. Number 16. Ferrari F430. Back in his Manchester United days, Ronaldo picked up this $300,000 Ferrari F430. It features a 4.3-liter V8, pumping out 483 horsepower. Number 15. Lamborghini Aventador. Ronaldo was gifted this all-black Aventador on his 27th birthday in 2012. It's an AWD coupe with those iconic scissor doors. He also owns a Lamborghini Urus. Number 14. Mercedes-Benz S65 AMG Coupe. This one set him back over $230,000. It comes with a massive V12 engine and even has a road scan system. Ronaldo has been spotted in both white and black versions. Number 13. Mercedes-Benz Brabus G65. This heavily modified G-Class SUV is a monster. It has a twin-turbo V12 that delivers 888 horsepower and over 1,000 pound-feet of torque. It can even tow a yacht. Number 12. Bentley Continental. Ronaldo owns a custom 2008 sapphire blue Continental. He also has a flying spur in his collection. Number 11. Maserati GranCabrio. In 2011, Ronaldo bought this all-black convertible. It has a 4.7-liter V8, producing 400 horsepower. Number 10. Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. Ronaldo picked this up after scoring a hat-trick against Tottenham. Number 9. Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead. At one point, this was the most expensive production car in the world. It features those famous suicide doors. Ronaldo was advised by David Beckham when buying it. He also owns a Dawn and a Ghost. Number 8. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Ronaldo added this ultra-luxury SUV to his garage in 2018, fully customized, of course. Number 7. Ferrari F12 TDF. This limited edition Ferrari cost him around $600,000. Only 799 were made. It delivers 769 horsepower. Number 6. McLaren Senna. Priced at around $1 million, only 500 were produced. It has 789 horsepower and extreme downforce. Number 5. Ferrari Monza SP1. Ronaldo skipped training just to go buy this ultra-rare car. It's a carbon fiber masterpiece with a screaming V12. Number 4. Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. This $2 million hypercar was famously crashed by Ronaldo's bodyguard. It has an 8-liter W16 engine, making 1,183 horsepower, and once held the top speed record. Number 3. Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron puts out 1,500 horsepower and can reach a top speed of 261 miles per hour. Number 2. Bugatti Centodieci. This hyper-exclusive Bugatti is only one of 10 ever made. It cost around $9 million and features extensive carbon fiber work. And number 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. This is the crown jewel of Ronaldo's collection, and at the time it was the most expensive new car in the world. He received it as a gift for his 30th birthday. The 1,479 horsepower monster is a true one-of-one masterpiece. And that's what's really inside Cristiano Ronaldo's $700 million car collection. Let us know in the comments which celebrity's car collection you want to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury lifestyle content.